欢迎你回来。我们今天的汉字学习可以从甲骨文开始。Welcome back. Today we're going to learn some Chinese characters. I think we can start with this oracle. The first one, what do you think it looks like? If I added a little bit of something extra, let's see what we have. How about here has a head? And how about this looks like arm? A back is gently hunched, and this is a leg. That's good. So the abstract form says that's a person. Therefore, this word is 人. That's a person. 人. Next one. Does this look like a plant to you? That's a leaf. That's the top. Maybe we can add some fruit. And that's the roots. So, that's a plant. What kind of plant it is? It's 禾. 禾 can be rice plant, can be wheat plant. Alright, I'm gonna rewrite the third word here. So first we start with 人, the one we saw earlier. And this person has a belly, really big belly. In the belly, and it carries a small person like this. I guess you figured out. It's a pregnant woman. So the word pregnant writes like this. 孕. And this part is in the belly has a person. So when we see this, that's a belly and that's a little child. And this, you see here is when woman is pregnant, her breast become bigger. So it's a body shape. And this is the back. Let us put the sound here. That's 韵. Alright, the last one, I think we don't have any trouble to guess this one. That is a bird, 鸟. See, we have the beak, we have the head, and we have the back and the tail and the belly and the beautiful little 鸟的脚啊，鸟的脚 little claw. Okay, we're going to write down this word right here. So that's the crown. That's the head. Add the eye, close it, give it a neck, give it a body curve. I'm going to add a long feather here and add the tail. That's the word 呢一凹鸟. Alright, don't leave. We have more words coming. Alright, our next full oracle for today, the first one. What do you think this one look like? The horn. And the face. Does this look like a bull or an ox for you? That's right. This word says 牛. Let's write down here. 牛. 呢呦牛. 牛 can be cow, can be bull, can be ox. I can also tell someone 你真牛, 你真牛. I did not say to the person you're a cow, you're a bull. We say, when we tell somebody 你真牛, we mean you are so fantastic, you are so awesome, you are so good at something. Okay, we say 真牛, 真牛. Alright, let us look at next one. Once again, we have the horn, and we have the face, and this might be the beard, long beard. So think about this animal. Have a horn, and maybe this long beard, and that's the goat. So we're going to write down the word 羊. 羊. So not only can be goat, can also be sheep, can be lamb. This word 羊, when we say 羊, it depends which other word we choose. If we want to say goat, we say 山羊. 山羊. If we want to say sheep, we say 绵羊. 绵羊. One is 山羊, mountain. One is 绵羊. 绵 is a fluffy. So think about a sheep. They're so cute, fluffy. Alright, let us look at our next word. This one most people can guess immediately. They say, oh, this looks like an eye. You're right, it is eye. So eye is mu. So we write down vertically. We sit horizontally, we write down vertically mu. Mu is 眼睛. 眼睛 is eye. So if we draw, we'll draw something look like this, right? Okay. All right. Last one is not hard either. What do you think it looks like to you? Water. Something's flowing. So water. 水. 水. Okay. That is our 8 words for today. Oracles and modern Chinese characters. Happy learning. 祝你学习愉快。